Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. This end of day report is for trading on Tuesday, March the 7th, 2017. Right today we have one of our bright spots here. Ticker is BIOC or BIOC. Here on the daily chart, you can see that this market has been in an uptrend and is trying its best to hold on to that uptrend, as you can see here. And basically, we needed a close above $2.26, and it closed right on that momentum bar, leaving you very little to work with. However, we had a situation of earnings that came out in the extended hours. So we closed at 226. But if you look here in the extended hours, this ticker has catapulted up to $2.87. Last trade now is $2.75. So this market is on fire in this particular ticket. You can see the biotech sector is on fire. So in the coming days, we'll be examining the biotech sector to see exactly what's going on here and to see where possibilities to make money lie. But this one is a really nice stock had you got long this stock before the close today. And of course, Black Ops Trading Room, we did. All right, moving forward, let's take a look at what gold is doing. All right, here on this daily chart of gold, you can see that it pretty much has been giving up the ghost, breaking through key support areas on the way down. Now, we still have a few more here to look for. We got that infamous 1206 and 1200 now. We've already broken past the 1240, the 1229 on a close, and now here we are staring into the abyss of 1206 and 1200 respectively. If the market closes below that, then we will probably see a parabolic move into the 1100 handle. Jury's still out on what will happen with that one. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see here stretching, elongating itself just shy of breaking below the Kumo cloud of death. So it looks like this is in play. The 1100 handle is in play, testing at least the 1185.50 range in the gold futures. Taking a look now at GLD. All right, on the GLD side of things in the weekly chart, you can see the same picture. 112.80 seems to be in play. Looking at the GDXJ. On the GDXJ side of things, looking just like gold right now. All right, it's kind of like dangling in a free fall state. In order to put an end to this in the weekly chart, we need to get back above 37.20. All right, looking at the JNUG now on the weekly time frame, if the chart will allow us to do so. Okay, it's working. All right, you can see this one also is giving up the ghost and is in a free fall state. $8.44 is needed on a close in order to put an end to this downtrend in JNUG. Looking at JDST on the weekly chart, it's not really showing up here because of the way this thing works. All right, here on the daily chart, it still managed to stay in the uptrend, and looks like $30 or so is in play here on the upside as far as resistance. So we should start to see resistance come into play around the $28 to $30 level in the JDST. So liking this one on the long side. Taking a look at crude oil right now. Crude oil, you can see here, is trying to catch a bid here. It needs to get back above 53.16 on the daily chart. If not, then it's in free fall inside the Kumo cloud down to the $50 a barrel mark, which will be strong psychological support. Looking at the US dollar, you can see here on the daily chart, it is trying to catch a bid here. It needs to get above that 102 on a close, and that will be great because then that will be the new support as it catapults its way up toward the 106 handle. Let's see what else. Oh, taking a look here at bonds. All right, if you look at bonds, it's going into new lows here. Momentum is getting worse on the daily. Looking at the weekly chart, you see it's in free fall now, and it doesn't have too much further to go before it takes out that 147.04. Right now we're at 148.20. So the bonds are in trouble, really going parabolic to the downside right now. So last but not least, let's take a look at silver. All right, silver on the weekly time frame, you can see it's dangerously close to pulling below 1736. A close below 1736 will open up the 1633 support, which will be in play. And this is on the weekly chart for silver. So weakness across the board right now in just about everything. Looking at the Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin's catching a bid here on this ETF. I did indicate that the 150 range will be in play again, and as you can see, the market is racing toward that right now. Got as high as 139.50 before pulling back to 132. So this old high right now is in jeopardy of being taken out. So it looks like by the end of the year we should hit that $1,500 in the Bitcoin and at least 106 in the dollar. All right, so that's all we got for today. Remember, learn how to trade these markets. Come on over to pulsewavetrading.com where you can learn how to trade the markets, learn how to hedge your physical portfolio, and learn how to generate additional income for you and your family. Classes are wide open, and we are accepting students into the Learning Academy where you can come and learn everything you ever wanted to know about trading in the markets that you will not learn in a textbook, you will not learn anywhere else. Come to pulsewavetrading.com. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.